here and say it. I'd rather be hanging in jail than talking about fucking kids every day and drugs, you little wrong'un. You've got fantasies about fucking kids and drugs, you have fantasise about it. You sit in your room talking to kids you ain't even fucking got in there, you dirty little wrong'un. Words mean nothing. Come down the street and say it. Swing your arms. Swing your fucking arms, you little muppet. All you can do is fucking name call around your mum and dad.